and welcome to Digital AI Corbett Lounge broadcast. I'm Silvia Davis, working as a product marketing manager at Digital AI. I'm thrilled to announce the new capabilities for release and deploy products in your Corbett Lounge. In this product broadcast, I will go over some highlights for this release. Then I will dig into the key capabilities and features. And finally, I will let you know where you can learn more about Corbett Lounge for release and deploy products. For the Corbett Lounge, we focus on how digital applications are delivered in the cloud. We have three major areas. Firstly, I'm going to talk about how we allow your teams to increase the velocity and efficiency for integrations. Secondly, I'm going to let you know how we can help you to increase the adoption of development teams to deploy cloud-native apps at scale without compromising governance and compliance. And thirdly, also, we are going to focus on how to equip you with tools to predict risk and also avoid application release failure. In short, our goals with these three integral pillars are efficiency, governance at scale, and resilience. So let's jump right on. Let's talk about the first capability, integration framework, the new SDK. So we understand your pain when it comes to building and maintaining integrations. I know very well your pain. We build a modern framework from the ground up to make it easier for you and developers to integrate all your new technologies. The new integration frameworks make integrations across your release and deploy process smarter and seamless. You know that now you can quickly create and test integrations, use your preferred language, like including Python, Go, or others. And because it's open, you can use containers to scale integration execution and use any platform or third-party SDK. So I love that. I love to know that you can run in any cloud environment, even like Kubernetes. This capability saves you time, makes your work more effective, and removes the pain of doing and maintaining integrations. So now let's dive in the second capability, self-service workflows to onboarding new applications. This is the first step of a larger initiative to implement continuous delivery at scale. Think about having a guided step-by-step workflow asking you what you want to do, and then have the tool create all the artifacts needed to orchestrate your release and deploy from beginning to the end. That's it. So this workflow especially helps developers to onboard their applications easier and within minimal knowledge of the tool. So this helps to increase the productivity of developers, your productivity, and also freedom to deploy applications without compromising quality or security. And that gives you a peace of mind about governance and compliance. Now let's talk about the capability number 3, where we bring an integration between security and our release products. In this launch, we further connect the dots of DevSecOps by integrating the Digital.ai app security product to the release product. This new integration helps you to protect your mobile apps from the threats with the properly secured measures and validate them before it's too late. Release can automatically ensure that all your Android and mobile apps have had app security applied before they release to the public app stores, and this is available in this launch. We'll make this integration very easy using Policy as a Code, OPA or OPA. The release template will include not only a checkbox to show whether the mobile app has been protected, but also a graded list of which protections have been successfully applied. You can apply it on your CI process like Jenkins, GitHub, or within the main release orchestration, so you got covered across the whole release application and orchestration. The key benefit is to catch potential issues before they cause trouble. while keeping an eye on security along every step of your application development and deployment. Now let's dive in the Intelligence Dashboard. As you know, we have a wide number of dashboards to bring visibility to the entire release and deployment process. In the last release, we even had new dashboards for development and deployment processes. In this new release here, we are curating unique insights to fit the needs of various personas. You see this new capability across all Digital AI products. But for release and deploy, we are launching dashboards for release managers and platform managers. So the release managers will have insights at their fingertips to analyze release dependencies and success trends, identify why release fail, and also identify possible risks. On the other hand, platform engineers will have insights to analyze a team's performance and adoption rates, as well the ability to identify areas for automation or adoption in the continuous delivery process. With these new Curate dashboards, teams can increase release success rates and also the productivity. And the last capability is about release and deploy enhanced experience. So in this release, Corbett release, we are enhancing and unifying your experience when using release and deploy products together. You no longer need to switch between applications. The real-time data exchange gives you the ability to accomplish more just in one single platform. With these more scenarios and integration, you can now simply execute tasks such as installing Argo CD and rollouts with a step-by-step workflow. You also can track application versions across environments. And also you can see a live stream log of the deployment inside of a release product. These new capabilities give you a seamless experience when deploying applications and help you to monitor deployment in real time, all in one single place. So that's not it. We have more. There is a ton of more of the capabilities and features, but here is just some additional capabilities that I want to highlight. So as you can see, I want to highlight just the top ones. The first one is I can store now release templates, configurations, and also code all along together on your GitOps. Make it even easier for failover. We have several other capabilities here, like new integrations. New integrations are very good because now we are bringing the integration with GitHub Actions, JFrog, and also Octopus. So those are all new integrations. We continue to grow our marketplace that has more than 400 types of integrations. And then another aspect that I like a lot actually is basically we're giving to you a possibility to be connected with product team directly using our ID space technology. So you can open your requests and you can also check other requests for product enhancements or even new capabilities, and you can vote and then you can interact with our product team. So check it out in your community to see more information around that. I hope you are excited as I am to see all these new capabilities. There are more for sure. Please take time to check out the release notes, our product pages, and additional resources for release and deploy. Here are the links for you. And I just want to say thank you so much for joining me here at this Digital AI Release and Deploy broadcast. I hope you watch all the other sales enablement as part of the Corbett release. And I wish you a great day and see you soon in further broadcasts. Thank you.